A very warm welcome to all my CA Inter students. So students, today was the test on your favorite topic, that is Contract Act. So let's discuss the solution. 25 minutes का टाइम दिया था मैंने आपको. आई होप उसमें आपका फिनिश हो गया होगा, उसे जल्दी हो जाना चाहिए था. Mr. Chetan was appointed as a site manager of a construction company on 2 years contract at a monthly salary of rupees 50,000. Mr. Pawan gave a surety in respect of Chetan's conduct. Whenever you get a question on guarantee, always identify the parties. तो आपके लिए वो question समझना बहुत easy हो जाएगा. Mr. Chetan was appointed as a site manager, so he is like a dater because he's the person on whose behalf the guarantee is given. Of ABC Construction, so he is like a creditor because we are giving guarantee to him. Mr. Pawan is a surety because he gives the guarantee. Okay, now that I have identified the parties, I will continue reading. Pawan gave surety in respect of Chetan's conduct. After 6 months, the company was not in a position to pay 50,000 to Chetan. So this information is important to us. Chetan agreed for a lower salary. Okay, so he agreed for a lower salary, but after 6 months. This was not communicated to Pawan. Most important information. Most important. 3 months afterwards, it was discovered that Chetan had been doing fraud since the time of appointment. 3 months irrelevant है. कोई काम का नहीं है. What is the liability of the surety? देखा आपने? हमने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और तुरंत आपके माइंड में आंसर फ्रेम होने लग गया क्योंकि हम पढ़ते पढ़ते ही बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन आइडेंटिफाई करने लगे थे. So now what will we say? Earlier, the salary was rupees 50,000. Then he agreed for a lower salary of rupees 30,000. क्या है यहाँ पर? There is variance, there is change in the terms of the contract. Section 133. So till what extent will the surety be liable? Surety will be liable only for the first 6 months. क्योंकि तभी तक salary 50,000 थी. फिर change कर दिया. The most important point, change हमने उसको बिना बताए किया है, इसीलिए वो discharge हो जाता है. So in this case, he will be discharged because that this change was not communicated. This is the most important information. अगर हमने surety को पूछ के ये किया होता तो वो discharge नहीं होता. So you will write section 133, give yourself half mark for that. If the creditor makes any change, variance without the consent of surety, ये अगर आपने लिखा है, give yourself half mark. Then the surety is discharged, half mark. To the extent of, to the subsequent changes, okay, to the transaction subsequent to the change, half mark. So till the change, surety is liable. After that, after variance, surety is not liable. Okay. In the given case, Pawan is liable as a surety. He is liable, but for only the misappropriation during the first 6 months. But he is not liable for any reduction, misappropriation after the reduction in salary. Give yourself 1 mark for it. So 2 marks in the first paragraph. हमने 2 marks दिया, फिर 1 mark. Mr. Pawan will be liable before the change. So for the first 6 months, variation was without the consent of Pawan. He will be discharged for any transaction after variation. 2 marks. So discuss the case, offer some solution, write the conclusion, 2 marks. A stands as a surety for B, or A is the surety for B for any amount which C may lend to B from time to time. Okay. Continuing guarantee. During the next 3 months, subject to maximum 50,000. 1 month later, okay, this is important. 1 month later, A revokes the guarantee. Immediately आपके mind में आना चाहिए revocation section 130. C had already lent 5,000 to B. Is A discharged from all the liabilities for subsequent loan? Yes. What would your answer be in case B makes a default in paying to C the amount which is already borrowed? अगर default कर देते surety is liable. तो surety कैसे discharge होगा? By notice of revocation या फिर by death. Actually death का यहाँ पर लिखने का कोई reason नहीं है, but model answer ये exam question है. मॉडल आंसर में लिखा था तो हमने भी लिख दिया टू क्रिएट द थ्योरी. नाउ डिस्चार्ज मे बी बाय रिवोकेशन, सेक्शन 130 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये लिखना ही है आपको. गिव योर सेल्फ हाफ मार्क इफ यू हैव रिटन. नहीं लिखा है तो डिडक्ट हाफ मार्क. वैसे सेक्शन नंबर्स इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर आई वॉन्ट यू टू राइट द सेक्शन नंबर, सेक्शन 130. So continuing guarantee, yes, it is revoked as to future transactions taking place after death. Surety estate, however, remains liable for the past transactions which are taken place before death. ठीक है, तो that is just an explanation. अगर आपने death के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, it's totally fine. In the given case, A is discharged for subsequent loan. आप explain करोगे. Here I have only written the key points which I want you to write in the answer. You will explain notice of revocation. Give yourself half mark for section number, 2 marks for explaining that he will be liable for the transactions before revocation, but he will not be liable for any default made by the debtor for transactions after revocation. Then you will discuss the case. A is discharged from all the liabilities for subsequent loan. Discussion of case 1 mark. अगर आपने केस डिस्कस किया है 1 मार्क. ही विल नॉट बी लायबल फॉर सब्सिक्वेंट लोन. आपने सोल्यूशन दिया, हाउएवर ही इज लायबल फॉर डिफॉल्ट मेड बिफोर द चेंज. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए 2 मार्क्स. A guaranteed Z against debts to be contracted by M as a running account but not exceeding 8,000. So A is guaranteeing, A is the surety. Debts contracted by M, he is the debtor, Z is the creditor. Always identify the parties. M became indebted to to Z for 10,000 rupees. He made a compromise. हाँ, एक मैंने सेक्शन पढ़ा था, नंबर याद आना चाहिए, 135. कॉम्प्रोमाइज से सेटलमेंट हो गया है. 60 पैसे इन रुपी दे दिया, मतलब 60% दे दिया है 10,000 का. 4,000 अब भी बाकी है. Z brings action against A claiming that amount. Decide. क्या आपने ये सब कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने से पहले श्योरिटी को पूछा था क्या उसको? नहीं ना. So surety is discharged if the creditor without the consent of surety, without is very important, compounds or settles with the debtor regarding the amount. तो ये compounding settlement ही हुआ. Gives more time to debtor, compromises not to sue the principal debtor. तो section 135 आपको लिखना है, very important, half mark for that. 2 marks for writing this. Okay, 2 marks for writing the theory, half mark for writing the solution. That in this case, since there is a compromise without the consent of surety, surety is discharged. Multiple choice questions बहुत simple वाले थे. Let P have the goods. If he does not pay, I will pay. तो पहले debtor default करेगा, अगर डेटा नहीं देता है तो श्योरिटी देगा. इट इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ गारंटी. अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ गारंटी obtained by the creditor by keeping silence as to material circumstances is invalid guarantee. Okay, तो अगर आपने करेक्ट लिखा है तो गिव योरसेल्फ 2 marks for this. So guys, with this we come to an end of task on indemnity and guarantee. कल आप पढ़ के रखोगे bailment and pledge. Okay, कल हमारा टेस्ट होगा ऑन बेलमेंट एंड प्लेज. सो टुमारो I will see you at 7 o'clock on my Telegram channel, and then we will again meet for discussing the solution.